How much should you actually spend on disposable vape pens? Some people are happy buying the cheap ones, but others find themselves returning the more expensive options. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1, VapeVac Personal Air Filter. First up is the VapeVac, a pocket-sized personal air filter that's all about discrete output reduction. Priced at $14.95, it caught my attention because it promises to minimize odor while keeping the air fresh. If you want to enjoy your vape without leaving a trace, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The VapeVac can handle over 500 uses, which means you're not just getting a one-time product. You exhale into the unit, and it reduces visible emissions and odors. Perfect for places where you need to be discreet. With a rating of 3.5 stars from 344 reviews, it's clear that many people have found value in it. Just imagine being at a party and being able to vape without the smell lingering. Now, some people complain that it doesn't completely eliminate all odors. Here's the thing though, most filters don't, and while this may not be a perfect solution, it is a good job for casual use. This is perfect for you if you're often in public settings or just want to keep things low-key. Skip this one if you're looking for a heavy-duty vaping experience. For the price, it's a solid purchase. Now, if the VapeVac's odor reduction didn't quite do it for you, this next product might actually be even better for staying organized. Product number 2, Tesseract Vape Pen Stand. Next up is the Tesseract Vape Pen Stand, priced at $15. This caught my eye because it aims to keep your vape organized and accessible. If you want a stylish way to store your vape, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you. The Tesseract features a unique 3D printed design with 4 levels to store multiple pens and accessories. The vibrant colors pop and make it easy to find exactly what you need quickly. With a 4.4-star rating from 320 reviews, it clearly appeals to those who want a little flair on their desk. You won't have to dig through drawers or bags to find your vape pen again. Now, some users mention it feels a bit flimsy. Here's the thing though, it's made from lightweight PLA, which is durable enough for everyday use without taking up much space. This is perfect for you if you have multiple vapes and want to showcase them neatly. Skip this one if you need something super heavy-duty. For $15, it's a fun option that adds some personality to your vape setup. Alright, that was a solid option. But if you need something a bit more functional, let's check out the next product. Product number 3, Varsity Disposable Fountain Pens. Now let's talk about the Varsity Disposable Fountain Pens, available in a 6-pack for $26.39. You might wonder why I included these in a vaping discussion, but hear me out. Sometimes you need a pen that feels good in your hand. If you want a smooth writing experience, this is worth a serious look. Here's the scoop. These pens have an advanced liquid ink system and a real fountain pen nib, which means you won't experience the scratchiness often found in cheaper pens. The visible ink supply lets you know when you're running low, so you're never caught off guard. With a stellar 4.8-star rating from 20 reviews, these pens are favored by many for their stylish appearance and reliability. Now, some users said they run out of ink faster than expected. Here's the thing though, if you're using them regularly for meaningful writing or journaling, you'll probably appreciate the quality over the quantity. This is perfect for you if you enjoy writing and want a pen that looks as good as it feels. Skip this one if you're just looking for something to jot down quick notes. For what you get, it's a good investment for your writing needs. Now, if the writing experience isn't quite what you're after, let's move on to something designed to help you quit. Product number 4, Astafleet Quit Smoking Necklace. Next, we have the Astafleet Quit Smoking Breathing Necklace, priced at $19.99. This caught my attention because it offers an alternative for those looking to quit smoking or vaping. If you're trying to ditch those habits and need support, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you. This necklace provides a unique resistance that simulates the feeling of smoking while helping you breathe easier. With over 100,000 users reporting significant reductions in cravings, it's more than just a necklace. It's a tool for change. Plus, it comes with multiple flavor options made from 100% natural essential oils to help ease anxiety while you transition away from smoking. Now, some people complained about the flavor being too subtle. Here's the thing though, If you're looking for something overpowering, this isn't it. But if you want a gentler approach to help with cravings, it could be just what you need. This is perfect for you if you're genuinely trying to quit smoking or vaping in a healthier way. Skip this if you're looking for something that's going to give you an instant fix. For $20, it's a smart investment in your health. Now, if that didn't quite resonate with you, let's check out the last product on our list. Product number 5, PILER Carrying Case. Finally, we have the PILER Carrying Case, which is a great way to keep all your vape essentials organized. While I can't put a price on it, it's valued at about $15 from what I found. This is perfect if you want to keep your gear tidy. If you're tired of rummaging through your bag, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you. This case features 5 dedicated compartments for all your vape accessories, a cartridge, battery, USB cable, and more, making it incredibly convenient. At 6.3 inches long, it's compact enough to fit in your bag, but spacious enough to keep things organized. With a 4.2-star rating from 15 reviews, folks seem to appreciate its design and practicality. No more tangled cords or lost cartridges. Now, some users found the zipper a bit stiff. Here's the thing though, after a bit of use, it usually loosens up, and for the price, it's a minor issue that doesn't affect functionality. This is perfect for you if you travel often or just want to keep everything in one place. Skip this if you need a case that's more heavy-duty. For the price, it's a solid organizational tool for any vapor. So, there you have it. 5 options for disposable vape pens and related accessories that cater to different needs. To wrap it up, we've covered the vape vac for discreet use, the Tesseract stand for organization, varsity pens for a smooth writing experience, the Astafly necklace for quitting support, and the PILER carrying case for convenience. Each of these has something unique to offer, so consider what fits your lifestyle best.